Hi everyone, and welcome to our tech series for childcare business owners. Today, we're going to explore how to use Instagram to promote your childcare business. Instagram is a powerful social media platform that can help you connect with parents, showcase your programs, and build a strong online presence. By the end of this video, you'll understand why Instagram is useful for your business, how to create an account, what to post, and how to manage your account effectively. In this video, we'll be covering why Instagram is useful, how to create an account, how to create posts, and managing your account. Instagram is a visual platform with over 1 billion users worldwide, making it an excellent tool for promoting your childcare business. It allows you to share photos and videos of your facility, activities, and events, helping you build trust with your current and potential families. Instagram also provides tools for engagement, such as comments, direct messages, and story interactions, enabling you to connect with your audience in real time. By maintaining a strong presence on Instagram, you can enhance your business's visibility, attract new families, and create a sense of community. Let's start by creating an Instagram account for your business. You can download the Instagram app from the Apple or Google Play Store. The Instagram app will look like this. Open the Instagram app and tap Sign Up. Enter your email address or phone number, then create a username and password. Make sure your username reflects your business name. Now that your account is created, be sure to turn it into a business account. You can switch your profile to a business account by going into the settings. You can access the settings of your account by clicking on the 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner. Once you're in your settings, scroll down to the section titled For Professionals. Then click the button that says Account Type and Tools. This is where you can switch your account into a business account. Click Switch to a Professional Account. A professional account will give you more insights into your followers and account performance. You can look at analytics and data to see how your posts are performing and how your audience views your content. From here, click Continue. Follow the prompts to enter information about you and your business. When you're setting up your business account, be sure to add a relevant profile picture like your logo and write any relevant information in the bio, like your hours of operations and how to register for childcare. To access your home page, where you can view posts from those that you follow, click the Home button in the bottom left-hand corner. You can view the Reels section by clicking on the square with the play button on the bottom right of your screen. Now that your account is set up, let's talk about what to post. High-quality photos and videos of your childcare center are essential. Share images of your facilities, daily activities, special events, and educational programs. Highlighting your staff and their qualifications can also build trust with families. Managing your Instagram account effectively is key to maintaining a professional and engaging presence. Respond promptly to comments and direct messages to foster relationships with your audience. Use Instagram Insights to track your engagement metrics, such as likes, comments, and follower growth, to understand what content resonates with your audience. This data can help you adjust your strategy and improve your content over time. To access the analytics and data on your account, click on the Professional Dashboard. From here, you can see data like the number of accounts reached, the number of accounts engaged, and total followers. You can open each of these sections for more detail on the metrics. Once you start posting, this data will be valuable in determining how to best grow your account and reach your audience. To create a post, click on the plus button on the bottom center of your screen. From here, you can choose a photo from your camera roll to post, and then click Next in the top right corner. Here, you can add a caption to your post, or even create a poll for your audience to vote on. If you'd like, you can tag relevant people, add music, add a location for your post, and more. When you're done editing the settings to your post, click the blue Share button. This will post your content to Instagram. Instagram offers several features that can enhance your content. Use Instagram Reels to create short, engaging videos. Instagram Live is also a great way to engage with your audience in real time, hosting Q&A sessions or live events. You can also use Instagram Stories to keep your audience engaged on a daily basis. Use Instagram stories to share real-time updates and behind-the-scenes glimpses of your day-to-day operations. You can add to your Instagram story by clicking the blue plus by your profile picture. A consistent posting schedule helps maintain your presence and keeps your audience informed and engaged. When you click the plus sign in the bottom center of the page, you can choose to create a post, story, a reel, or a live. If you'd like to go live on Instagram, this is where you would do so. You can also choose to create a story from here or upload a reel, along with your regular post. Consistency is crucial on Instagram. Create a posting schedule to ensure that you're regularly updating your account with fresh content. Plan your posts in advance and aim to post at least 2 to 3 times a week. Here are some suggestions on what to post. Daily activities. Show children engaging in fun and educational activities. Special events. Highlight events like field trips, holiday celebrations, and parent-teacher meetings. Staff introductions. Introduce your team and their qualifications. Educational content. Share tips, resources, and information relevant to early childhood education. Family testimonials. Post testimonials from satisfied families to build credibility. Instagram is a powerful tool that can help you connect with families, showcase your childcare center, and build a strong online presence. By creating and managing an engaging account, posting high-quality content, and utilizing Instagram's features, you can effectively promote your business and attract new families.